Assalamualaikum students, welcome to video 2 of uses of animals. In this video we will cover the question and answers and the bookwork of the chapter. Moving on, open page number 27, you will find this now you know section. We need to fill in the blanks. Cows and buffaloes give us dash. What do cows and buffaloes give us? They give us milk. So write down milk. Also students, make sure that you are writing with a sharp pencil on your books. A donkey is used as a beast of dash. How is a donkey used? We use it as a beast of burden. So write burden in the blank. B-U-R-D-E-N. We get silk fiber from the dash. We get silk fiber from the silkworm. So write silkworm in the blank. Now turn to page number 28. Under the exercises, we will do the exercise A first. We have to fill in the blanks with the correct option. यहाँ पे हमें options given है and we need to fill these blanks with the correct option and also tick the correct option. Number 1. The animals we keep at home are called dash animals. Wild animals या pet animals. So जो animals हम घर पे रखते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Pet animals. That is right. Tick pet here and write over here. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स कौन से होते हैं? वाइल्ड एनिमल्स वो होते हैं जो दैट लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट और इन द जंगल एंड दे कैन नॉट बी टेम्ड. सो फॉर एग्जांपल लायंस हो गए या फिर टाइगर्स हो गए, बियर्स हो गए. दीज आर ऑल वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड वी डू नॉट कीप देम एट आवर होम. Number 2. Buffalo is a dash animal. Pet animal or farm animal? Buffalo is a farm animal because we do not keep them inside our home. Instead, we keep them outside in the farm. So F-A-R-M, buffalo would be a farm animal. Tick farm over here. Dash give us eggs. Cows or geese? Geese. G-E-E-S-E. So tick geese here. Geese give us eggs. Cows, what do cows give us? Cows give us milk. Number 4. Dash is kept for meat, tiger or turkey. So the correct answer is turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey is kept for meat. We do not keep tigers. Like we discussed, tigers are wild animals. Number 5. Dash is a beast of burden, cow or mule. So the answer is mule. Mule is a beast of burden. Dash carry people from place to place, goats or camels. The correct answer is camels. Tick on camels and write over here C-A-M-E-L-S. Camels carry people from place to place. Dash plow fields for us, cows or oxen. The correct answer is oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen plow fields for us. We make dash garments from wool, silk or woolen. The answer is woolen. Fill in the blank with woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. We make woolen garments from wool. Now come to page number 29, exercise B. Circle the odd one. So over here they have given statements and they have given pictures of the animals. Now we need to figure out कि कौन सा animal does not belong to this group. So for example they are pets. In pictures में से हमें figure out करना है कि कौन सा animal is not a pet. So the first animal is cat. Cat is a pet, so we cannot circle it. Tiger is not a pet, so we will circle the tiger. A dog is a pet, so we will not circle it. A fish is also a pet, so we will not circle the fish as well. We will only circle tiger. Number 2, they are made from milk. What is made from milk? Butter. Yes, butter is made from milk. Cheese is also made from milk. Pizza, however, is not made from milk, so we will circle pizza. Ice cream is made from milk, so we will not circle ice cream as well. So pizza is not made from milk. Rest are made from milk. They are beasts of burden. Donkey, yes, it is a beast of burden. Elephant, yes, trained elephants are beast of burden. Rabbit is not a beast of burden, so we will circle rabbit. Oxen are beast of burden too, so we will not circle them. They are made from leather. This is a leather briefcase. So this briefcase is made from leather. This is a purse. Purses usually are made from leather. These are shoes. So leather shoes. Shoes can be made from leather, so we will not circle them as well. Socks, however, are not made from leather. They are made either from wool or some other material, so we will circle socks. Now move to page number 30, the task. Complete the sentences. We need to complete the sentences. We can also look at these pictures to take help. The dash guards our dash. So we read that the dog guards our house. Fill in these blanks. Dog and house. The dash gives us dash. The cow gives us milk. So fill the blanks with cow and milk. Number 3, the dash gives us dash. So the hen gives us egg. Fill in the blanks with hen and egg. The dash carries dash for us. The donkey carries loads for us. Fill in the blank with donkey and this blank with loads. Number 5, the dash gives us dash. So the sheep gives us wool. You can pause this video and take your time to fill the correct answers in your book. Now that we are done with the book work, I would like you all to close your book and open your copies. We have already made the title page, so now put the heading of question and answers and start your copy work. Also make sure that in the index page you fill in chapter 4 ka index like we have been doing for the previous chapters as well. So now open your copy to a new page and we will do the question answers of the chapter. Make sure that you write the questions with blue pencil and answers with black pencil. Number 1. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals कौन से होते हैं? We learned that pets and farm animals are called domestic animals. Pets हो गए या farm animals हो गए, they are called domestic animals. Number 2. Why do we keep pets? Pet animals give us pleasure. Why do we keep pets? Because they give us pleasure and we play with them. So the answer is pet animals give us pleasure. Name 2 farm animals. कोई से भी farm animals हमें 2 बताने हैं तो these could be, the answer is hen and cow are 2 farm animals. So hen and cow are 2 farm animals. Name 5 things which are made from milk. कोई 5 चीज़ें हमें ऐसी बतानी है which are made from milk. We will list them down. Number 1, butter. Number 2, cheese. Number 3, curd. Number 4, ghee. Number 5, ice cream. These 5 things are made from milk. We will list them down. Question number 5. Name 3 animals whose flesh is eaten by men. Flesh is meat. So कोई 3 animals ऐसे बताने हैं जिनका meat हम man जो हैं खाते हैं. So we eat flesh of cow, goat and hen. हम सब खाते होंगे the flesh of cow, goat and hen. We eat flesh of cow, goat and hen. What do we call the animals that carry load? जो हमारा load या वज़न वगैरह उठा के जाते हैं उन animals को हम क्या कहते हैं? The answer is those animals are called beasts of burden. जो load हमारा carry करते हैं उनको हम beasts of burden कहते हैं. So the answer would be those animals are called beasts of burden. Question number 7. How do we get silk? Silk कैसे आता है हमारे पास? The answer is we get silk from silkworm. Silkworm provides us with silk, so the answer is we get silk from silkworm. Question number 8. Name 2 animals each that give us fur and leather. कोई भी दो ऐसे एनिमल्स बताने हैं, कोई दो एनिमल्स जो फर देते हों और कोई दो ऐसे एनिमल्स जो लेदर देते हों. सो द आंसर इज rabbits and seals give us fur. We get leather from the skin of cows and goats. Rabbits and seals जो हैं वो हमें fur देते हैं and we can get leather from the skin of cows and goats. Now students, let's move on to the homework. Your homework is to learn the bookwork and the question answers of the chapter 4. Learn them by heart, and I will see you in the next video where we will try to cover the next chapter. Thank you.